respected all dignitaries of NCERT, and my dear co-participant from all parts of India. Myself, Dr. Susama Johnson, Assistant Professor, State Institute of Science Education and College of Teacher Education, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, worked on the project Integrated and Collaborative Teaching Learning Model to meet the challenges of students in and out of the classroom and experimental study. Level of my participation is Secondary Teacher Education Institute. This project gave me an opportunity to address the lack of interest in teaching among school teachers and effective teaching practices among B.Ed trainees. Working on this project was a wonderful experience for all the participants. ICTL team, I want to say about that. As for ICTL model, I constructed one ICTL team. This comprises lead teacher, support teacher and field teacher. The names given by me is in accordance with the roles and responsibilities assigned to lead teacher, subject teacher and field teacher. Lead teacher is an expert in pedagogical and psychological attributes. ST is an expert of subject knowledge, and FT is full of enthusiasm. All three, the work of all three and attributes are depicted in this logo, and it is also constructed, self-constructed. My aim is to design this project by including LT, ST and FT was to make effective use of the 120 days of internship program of the student trainees for the benefit of schools as well as CTs. You can see here we have a number of activities for that. Design of the project, you can see here. I have begun with the objective, dual objective of developing collaborative skills among students and developing integrated and collaborative pedagogy among students. I selected 20 students of our lab school of class 6 and 8. Lab school was Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Vyahar Bagh, Jabalpur. In all, I have taken 40 students in all. 80% of the students were from very low socio-economic strata, and I used theme-based pedagogy in vertical linkage. I was the lead teacher, and science subject teacher was taken as a support teacher, and B.Ed second semester in-service student trainees of our college was the field teacher. Before the execution of the project, orientation workshop was organized in our college for the preparation of interactive instruction material like chapter kit, script, visual arts and many other role play. And for assessment, online quiz, drag and drop quiz, crossword puzzle and so many assessment tools were designed in the workshop before going to the experiment. Now you can see here the teaching strategy what we have, all LT, ST and ST were distributed among them before the ICTL classes, like responsibility for the task for lead teacher, for the supervisor. This is the teaching strategy what we have planned together. Integration and collaboration. Integrate what I have integrated. I have integrated the collaborative pedagogy among the students. And teachers, all the teachers are very interested to instruct in this way, and all three teachers, pair work, group work, peer tutoring, performing arts, these are the collaborative pedagogy what we have integrated. And the learning outcome among the students are fearless participation, openness, respect for each other, encourage each other, like that. You can see in the slide. Integration of innovative assessment tool. I have it was very interesting one activity, that was Prashno Ki Gaadi, that was made itself from the students, by the students and my student trainees. The data for the first objective, that is to develop collaborative learning skill among students. This is the graphical representation of the success of my project. The project was done, experimentation was done in 6 weeks. So the data were collected by us through the responsibility sheet, teaching strategy and student essential skill observation checklist what we teachers were made during our periodical meetings. And as well, you can see in next graph that second objective, to develop integrated and collaborative pedagogy among teachers, it is also fulfilling here. Challenges what we have faced students, because their family background is very big challenge, and for field teacher, family responsibility, university exams, for support teacher, all the official programs that they have to follow, and for me, regular period and assignment. So these are the challenges, and feedback was wonderful because of the 6 weeks of joyful atmosphere, joyful activity, and collaborative teaching of the 3 teachers, LT, ST and FT. They motivated the students itself, and you can see here the feedback of the student. खेल खेल में सीखते हैं, गलत उत्तर देने पर भी डांट नहीं पिटती, मतलब respect for each other or respect for teacher. You can see here very well. During the course of my study, I tried to manage these challenges, and ICTL model helped a lot to meet these challenges, and that you can see in the feedback also. Implication for school student, we can see with the development of essential learning skill, openness, peer tutoring, communication skill, student felt self-motivated. They enjoyed the group teaching with flexible teaching learning plan. My project was very flexible because we have to manage with the college and school, lab school. For school administration, being a lab school, like RI demonstration school, we have lab school for each CTE. 120 days of internship can be effectively utilized by implementing ICTL model. School must adopt collaborative strategy with 2 or 3 teachers. A good level of relationship can be developed between TIs and their lab school. And the implication for TIs, lab school of each TIs can be implemented by ICTL model with proper orientation, training of collaborative teaching learning activities, and construction of chapter kit and assessment tools. We can find the above mentioned attributes of 21st century skill for quality education in NEP 2020 also. Now I want to summarize the project with the operational roadmap for the ICTL model from the initial phase to the submission of the report that I have already mentioned in the report. You can see the glimpses of implementation of ICTL model from the survey to different institutions, and I got the chance to visit pedagogical head of the TNTU Chennai, only one university of teacher education. He also encouraged the ICTL model. This is the chapter kit. You can see here in this my student trainee has made chapter kit in the vertical linkage. This is class 6, 7th and 8th, and with their activities and crossword puzzle, all is there in the one chart. So this is the interactive chapter kit. The student can itself take the crossword, and from there they can do the same. This is the role play of the this is role play, this is script, and periodical meeting is there. Online quiz was designed by the student trainees, and this is drag and drop quiz. This is the glimpses of workshop, and this is the team, the team that is from Vyahar Bagh school. Now I come to the last glimpses of the ICTL classes. You can see this girl was very low attendance. She is having low attendance, but after that ICTL classes, she regularly used to come to school. And I would like to conclude my presentation by saying that I have tried to incorporate by essential skill of collaboration, communication, critical thinking, participation in teaching learning process to make the school and TI's education more holistic and flexible. This is of course in line with the NEP 2020. We can replicate this work with the help of all T's, CT's, diets and school our principals. Thank you. Thank you all for patience.